Hey guys and gals, welcome to K6 Outdoors. My name is Kyle. This is a follow-up video to the one above here. It is my 3-year review on the gutter guards above me here. Anyways, there was a couple questions out of that video asking about how well they perform when it is actually raining. Well, as you can tell by the sky and what it's doing right now, it's actually raining as we speak. So wanted to show you guys how these do perform. I'm going to do some simulated testing with a hose and give you one of my only complaints about the specific gutter guard. I'll give you a hint, it's kind of right here in this location. This is also a good point to say, hey, I watch my algorithms, I watch my viewers, I respond to all my all the questions that I can. And if you guys find me or the stuff I do on the channel here to be fun and exciting, probably not me, I'm not that exciting. But if you guys find this stuff informative and helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. I know it doesn't cost you guys a dime to do it, but I may pop up on your guys' homepage for suggested videos. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, I would encourage you to do it. But enough of the whole subscriber thing. I just want you guys to know I really do enjoy helping people out. That's the intent of the channel here. So in an attempt to show you this, I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance because I had to take my wireless lav mic off. It's currently raining. It's not waterproof. Bear with me on the audio here. Hope you guys can hear me okay. So as we climb up the ladder here and pull out our gutter soaker 7000 while it begins to rain harder, I want to show you guys a live look up here. Here comes the rain. Oh yeah, getting soaked, all in the name of YouTube science, right? This is currently how it sits. I haven't been up here since last year. You can see the roof, some of the roof aggregate in the gutter guards here. And then down here in the corner is the only trouble spot that I'm not happy about. It's not that the manufacturers don't know this is a problem. They have a solution for it. So the issue here in the corners, and again, sorry if I keep looking away as I talk through this, but the issues with the stuff in the corner here is you get a lot of water coming down this valley over here. And when it comes down this valley, it has to catch itself in this corner. And well, again, where a lot of that water comes down is in that corner. They do make a piece that can go in the corner, a little diverter. I'll put a picture here on the screen for you so you can see that. But that diverter helps put the water around the corner where there's more material at, so it will go in the gutter and not off onto the ground here. Anyways, let's do some simulated testing. It's been raining. We've got about an inch of rain in the past 24 hours, which is more than we've been getting in a while. And again, I'm going to show you what happens when you put some water on the gutter guards. So just to give you an idea here, this is spraying it directly on the gutter. This is a wide open hose. I don't know what more you need to experience to see that, but this it's not running off. Don't need to get you there. See it? It's going straight down the gutter. So what I'm trying to demonstrate here to you is, yeah, it doesn't run off the front of the gutter when it's installed correctly. Give you another up close look here. No, again, this is straight, wide open water running right down the chute. Again, I don't know what else I gotta do to prove it here. And again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just my opinion on this stuff. You can see the roof aggregate, that's down in here. It's not affecting its performance at all. And you see how, it just does its job. Again, not a sponsored video. This is my opinion. I spent my own money on this product. But I'm a believer. And I don't, the folks on my channel that watch this, remember, what's that I say? Yeah, I learned this stuff the hard way so you don't have to. And this is the third type of gutter guard I've tried over a couple different houses, and this has been the best stuff I've ever used. Again, you can see there's stuff in here. There's leaves, but if I, it's raining out. Let's just rinse the leaves off of there first if we're really worried about it, and just you see it works. I don't know what that would be for inches per hour coming out of the, I'm not sure what this would be for inches per hour of rain, but that's some pretty hefty rainfall. I don't know. Again, I don't know. I'm shooting this directly on the mesh. I mean, they just, I hope that paints a picture for you guys. Again, this is the only problem area, and you'll see in this instance, you know, how fast it is coming down. You can see if you had the entire roof covered, you know, this is a small section. That amount of water coming down here could maybe overcome that section in the corner. So again, it really hasn't been an issue for me, but at the end of the day, that is a defect, and I want to share with you guys. That's just 1/2 inch hose, full blast, to show you, you know, what happens. Again, it's this, you know, scales of quantities, or the amount of the, yeah, and you get the idea. It's the amount of water over 1 square inch over this entire roof coming down this gutter. Again, the only problem I've had is where we get a lot of water coming down the valley in the corner. I want to show you guys something you've been asking about, is how I did my corners. There are a lot of videos on their website. I'll put the website here in the middle of the screen where you can check it out, of how to do this and how to do it for your specific gutter and roof. My roof line is pretty, you know, simple. You can see because the way that it is, right? In the corner, you cut this section. So back here, you can see under there is aluminum channel. So you cut that back to the roof and feed it up under here like you normally would. But then on this section, you cut an extra section out here, so you have extra material to hang over top this section, and it keeps this gutter corner free of debris. I mean, you get the idea, right? I just want to make a quick and short video for you guys so you could see this and answer some questions. I've been delayed on getting some of this stuff done. Family, it's just life, right? And I think you all appreciate and understand that. But again, let me know your guys' feedback. I have been extremely, I don't think I can say extremely enough, happy with these gutter guards, and I would highly recommend them. I will put Amazon affiliate links below to very similar gutter guard you can pick up on Amazon, or if you want this exact same stuff, I picked mine up at Costco when it's on sale. It's a good value then. Home Depot also carries it, and well, you know, you can find it at a couple other big box stores. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of the video. Do you guys find this helpful? Does it help you make some decisions on your gutter guard? Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. I am not a gutter expert, but you know, I installed quite a bit of this specific stuff. It works well for me, and I've been highly, you know, pleased with this application, because I can't say extreme enough. So again, let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns. If you have this stuff yourself, if you like it, give me your feedback below and let me know how much you've installed, and you know, are you using it in a different application? I thank you all very much, as always, for tuning in. Without you all, this channel really doesn't exist, and I know that sounds redundant and kind of cliche, but it's also very true. So thank you all very much for your support and watching. And again, give me your comments below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, well, give me a thumbs down, but leave some comments below on, hey Kyle, you suck, fix what you're doing, you can do this better. Hey, I'll take your feedback. Any feedback is better than no feedback at all, and you know, helps me improve the channel here. Thanks again for stopping in. My name is Kyle, and you know, we're actually getting some rain. I'd like to say stay dry, but I know a lot of you folks need rain as well. So take care of one another. Don't be afraid to get out there and pick up some of this stuff for yourself and do this installation. It's quick, simple, and easy. And I got a couple more videos if you want to check those out in the playlist. So thanks again for stopping in. My name's Kyle. Take care of one another. We'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll see ya.